Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some vintage rustic cottage decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Vintage rustic cottage decor is a charming blend of old world warmth, countryside simplicity and timeless vintage charm. It creates a cozy, welcoming home that feels both nostalgic and natural, like stepping into a storybook cottage filled with history and heart. Here's detailed breakdown to help you understand and style this decor beautifully. Core elements of vintage rustic cottage decor. Natural materials. Use wood, stone, linen, jute, and iron for an authentic edged feel. Exposed wooden beams, distressed florals, and handmade furniture bring rustic warmth. Vintage finds include antique furniture, chipped treasures, and flea market decor pieces. Display old clocks, enamelware, vintage trunk, and retro frames. Soft, cozy textiles. Go for floral cotton, lace, gingham, or linen fabrics. Layer with knitted throws, vintage quilts, and ruffled cushions. Muted and archy colors. Think soft whites, warm creams, faded greens, weathered browns, and dusty blues. Distressed paint finishes enhance the time-worn, cozy look. Handcrafted and repurposed pieces. Transform old leathers into shelves or vintage crates into storage. Use handmade pottery, wicker baskets, and rustic wooden trays. Natural light and soft glow. Encourage sunlight with lace curtains or light drapes. Add candles, lanterns, and vintage style lamps for a warm evening glow. Floral and botanical touches. Display wildflowers, dried herbs, or greenery in ceramic or glass vases. Add botanical prints for a gentle cottage charm. Decorating tips. Mix rustic wood and delicate lace. The contrast adds cozy elegance. Use weathered furniture instead of new or polished pieces. Incorporate antique mirrors or cheap paint frames for authentic vintage vibes. Hang open shelving to display heirloom crockery, glass jars, and ceramics. Add small touches like floral teacups, crochet doilies, or hand-woven rugs. Room by room touches. Living room. Slip-covered sofas, wood coffee tables, iron lanterns, and floral cushions. Kitchen. Open shelves, copper pots, checkered curtains, and enamel jars. Bedroom. Iron bed frame, patchwork quilts, and soft pastel bedding. Thanks for watching this video.